Rajeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Ratnam College of Arts and Science. Now we'll discuss about the principles of management. So meaning of principles of management, management are the guidelines to be followed by every organization. No manager can be effective if he does not follow the principles of management. Therefore, the manager in all organization, whether a big or small or non-business, whatever it is, every top level to medium level business, every business to be followed in the principles of management. Next, functions of management. So, functions of management is a planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling and decision making, coordination and motivation. So, first planning. So, planning is an how to plan their business and how to implement their business and how to when to business to be done and who business to be done and how to business to be done, everything to be decided and planning to the organization. So, next, organizing. So, organizing, after planning, the manager has to focus. So, organizing involves bringing together. So, involves required what is our achievement and what is our goal, everything to be decided, that is the organizing. So, resources can be men, money, capital and material, machines and skills and knowledge. So, everything to be organizingly and coordinatingly to achieve their goals. So, next, directing. So, directions is an every team leader has to be direct their people, and also the direction, the process of which employees to guidelines to achieve their organization objective. It involves to giving the instructions, the corrective mistakes and providing the feedbacks, so the feedback to be given the leader to given the people. So, the people and staff members to be follow the instructions and to be they achieve the organization goal. Staffing. So, staffing is related to recruitment, selection, training and development and appraisal of employees. So, the objective of staffing is to appointed the right person. So, and the job and right ensure and high quality of talent. So, this is a staffing. So, staffing is a right person to staff the appoint their company. And controlling. So, controlling is the process to monitor whether the activities of the organization are successful in achieving its goals. So, controlling the team leader to control their people and monitor the people and how to implement their work and how to achieve their work. So, this is a controlling process of organization. Next, decision making. So, decision making is nothing but is a process of making choices by identifying decision and gathering the information and assessing the alternative resolutions. So, decision making is a very important and also very powerful thing of every organization, and the team leader have to capable the decision making power, the team to be next level, the team to be going to the next level. And coordination. So, coordination is the functions of management which ensures the different departments of group of work in scenario. There is a unity of action among the employees, groups and departments. So, coordination is very important of every management and every business. So, without coordination, the business cannot be, the organization cannot be run. And motivation, it is a process of stimulating people to actions to accomplish their goals. So, motivation, so every team leader has to be motivating their employees and also they are motivating the people and how to team their next level to be lead. So, this is a very important thing of motivation. So, thank you.